Lingportal Online School presents
Mastering Suffixes. Can you pass this quick English test? Today you're entering the magical world of suffixes, those sneaky little endings that completely change the meaning of words. Will you be careless or careful? Let's go. She is a very kind and friendly person. He is a great artist. He paints amazing portraits. You need a good builder to build a house. We had a very meaningful conversation about our future. After eating too much cake, he had a bit of sickness. She showed great strength during the difficult time. He gave a very clear explanation of the theory. I've had enough of your childish jokes. The introduction of the new product was a big success. This book is very readable. You'll finish it quickly. The government passed a new law yesterday. She wore a glamorous dress to the event. The king ruled over a vast kingdom. Attendance at his lectures is impressive. This room is too noisy to concentrate. Great job! You've just unlocked the power of suffixes, small endings that make a big difference. Whether you got every answer right or learned some new knowledge along the way, you're one step closer to mastering English. Keep practicing, keep growing, and remember, every suffix you learn adds strength to your language skills.